like bird. No, I'm kidding.
Hey, you got that?
The place singing, we will rock you, rock you. We will, damn, rock you, my crotch hurts. We will rock you.
Oh, wait.
Yeah,
How does one creepy go?
ooh!
Wait, what song? Bong Creepy.
Can I get a number 6 and
No.
oh no!
Oh.
I'm like is a queen, now listen to me sing. She wants a number 6 besides onion ring. He can walk at the house with his ankle bracelet on, but he's got 2 strikes, so don't get his order wrong.
You know I'm looking cute and there's nothing you can say, but if you get with me,
you can have it your way. Hey.
That was Bong Creepy redone to the fullest.
Vicky and Kelly, Kelly and Vicky.
That's what I'm saying, Happy K.
We 1, we been 2.
Now listen to us.
Lucky in 1 and Lucky in 2.
Oh, damn.
She a tan girl and I might crack a jack, but when we get together, we got each other's back, so don't fuck with us now, cause we got that now. Sipping that shit and taking some hits, singing we will rock you.
Hell yeah, dog.
Wait.
Dog,
Oh,
you
yeah.
got good. Yeah, that's good. You better than Poppy and Kyle and all them. That's just funny when they get it though. That's what I'm saying.
We're looking like fools making this stupid beat. How about we get out and smoke some?
Yeah, that's dope.
That's dope. That's dope, man.
Hell yeah, bro.
How does V go?
I can just imagine what your mom's thinking. I mean,
Just
she's
sitting here
probably
chilling.
a rink-a-dinking. I'm kidding.
A rink-a-dinking.
A rink-a-dink. Ah, bellissimo.
Hey, my lord.
sorority brothers.
Oh shit.
Capadetta gave a pie.
Hell yeah.
You
hey,
but
so
you don't got
you
nothing
know-
on the tornadoes.
No. No, because we were okay. You know that day for the tornado thing?
We had a tornado one.
Well, we were in Miss Devin's room, and then like you know how there's like a wall right there with like glass or whatever, and it was outside. And I was like, oh my god, what if the tornado's really coming? And they're like,
We
and
should.
Catherine's
we
like-
should welcome it.
And little Catherine, she's like, oh, we should welcome it. And I'm like, I don't even know what. And then what happened? She's
like,
what was the story about?
Yeah, because we're the tornadoes or whatever. And then she's
Oh
like,
yeah, and I was like,
oh yeah, let's welcome it or whatever. And I was like, okay. And then she's like, you know
Wait,
how
no.
they have that?
beta thing, and then I was like, oh well, we should have ours.
And I was like, oh my god, that's dope or whatever. And I was like, oh. Alright, swabbly dobbly, jolly billy bop. Beepily doppily beep beep.
Do it. Do the diddly doddly 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 diddly doddly
Oh god, we're gonna write a symphony. We're gonna write a symphony.
Wait, you're playing that? I'm gonna play that. Alright. No, I got the bass guitar. Boom.
Oh, I had a song.
Boom.
I love that song.
Come on, baby, move it like a lady. Come on, baby, move it like a lady. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Bang. Alright, okay.
What time it is? 6:09. Damn, your foot hurting me.
Damn, we've only been here for 13 minutes.
Right, and we already jacked it. Oh shit. Cupid shuffle. Oh damn.
What do I do?
You want to add to a playlist?
You
Yeah.
can't listen to it without adding to a playlist.
Oh yeah, you can just click on it twice.
Oh, I gotta put my shit actually.
Down, down, do your dance, do your dance, do
We got a brand new
You know what song I gotta play?
Oh.
Oh shit. Wait. Who here can SpongeBob? You can SpongeBob?
Me and her too.
Have you seen the video?
Hey, tell me we
Of y'all two?
Did you get that?
The weeboo shit. Wait, do it again. God
Wait,
damn.
what was the other one? When you had the check sign? All that, right?
that nigga got her on check.
Like, oh shit.
You know what that is?
No, Pitchfork is like
Dipset.
Pitchfork is like that. This is this.
I think that's Dipset, but it don't make
Money
a
over
difference.
everything. That's my attitude. Look.
Damn.
No, wait, that wasn't even the good one. This is the better
The second one is the best one.
No, I like the first one better. Like, I didn't even go.
Damn.
That was the dude that was hot.
Is that you too?
Hurting me.
Damn, Jasmine. Damn.
No,
Look
no,
at that
no,
bitch.
Now, can we do SpongeBob?
Can we do the
Oh, I
SpongeBob?
got you.
With your stank voter. Hey, how you doing?
It's Weezy F, baby. Come and take a shit and urine on the toilet bowl, bitches. Pussy niggas. I'm swerving on this beat like a motherfucking Sigma. I'm bad to the bristle, head to the whistle. I'm so official, all I need is a whistle. Bitch named Crystal.
She opened up
My mouth and I blew her brains out. You never met a nigga like me, you probably never will. Some riders rolling with me like 11 wheels. Find out where you're living, kill you in the kitchen. The band's trying to trip us, but we ain't even trip. I'm going in, I'm going in. Yep.
She got it, don't.
She got it.
Don't. She got it, don't. Oh my god, what is this? Oh yeah.
Kill that shit, that's funny. It was like,
I'm the next Nikki, like your grandma and Ricky, off a Sweet Life of a Teenager. Okay,
Keep
no.
going.
I'm chilling with Pokey, and she older than Pokey. No, I'm kidding. Like a poke chop. No, I'm kidding.
poach chop. Lift your shit up real quick. Your shoes are burning my feet.
They're hot.
No, they're like, I don't know, just the rubbers like rubbing against it. Your phone making my foot wet.
You get it?
Shut up.
Foot gets wet.
That's not even funny.
You stupid.
Wait.
Wait. Oh.
Oh, bean.
Oh, listen.
Can y'all do this?
Can I do it? Oh.
Y'all can bop it?
You want to take me to it?
She does it so good. She's like, bang, bang, bang. I can't do it.
I'll only
Move
do
your
it if I
phone.
get some cookies.
Cookies? Go get some. Wait, I'll bring the Oreos in here.
Do you have milk?
Yeah, but you ain't bringing it in my room. I know your little spilling look
I'm
in
not
there.
gonna spill no bubbling